Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to making vegetable sauce with ripe plantain. Here is my vegetable. We have green pepper, red pepper and yellow pepper with onions. I am washing it with vinegar. I washed it already, and my vegetable are already be sliced. And the things we need to do now is to add my fry pan in the guys, and I will be adding oil inside. As you can see, my fry pan is already there, and I had my vegetable oil inside. I will just leave it a little bit for the oil to get hot, not so much. Then the next thing I will be adding, the first thing is onions. I use one full onions. The next things I will be adding is my vegetable. So I will be turning it a little bit. The next thing I will be adding is my ingredients. I will be adding my ingredients to it. Here I have one Maggi cube. It's not even up to one. I cut it a little bit, and curry powder, black pepper. I had also garlic powder, curry powder, as I said earlier. One Maggi cube which half because I cut it. The next I will be turning it a little bit. Then I will be adding my spinach. So after that I will be turning it. Please don't forget to also follow us on Facebook page, which is Golden Lady Blogger, and the other one is for food as well, is Beautiful Shine TV for Facebook. Please do also follow us for the two page. We will really appreciate. And those that have come to watch my video always, may God bless you for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. So as I say, my vegetable is very soon it will be ready. I had my pepper, not that I don't have fresh pepper. I really don't want to use fresh pepper. I just want to use blended pepper, so it was so nice. Wow, you see, look at that. What do you see? Now I will be putting my plantain. Here is my plantain, my ripe plantain. This is my first time of making this in my channel, but I haven't made it before, but I always eat it, so I just decided to put it on my channel as well. So I have to wash it. I just cut it to the side that it can enter my pot. So after washing it, I'm going to add it on the pot. Here is my pot. I will add it in my pot, then so now I will be adding a little water on it. Here we have salt, not so much. So the next thing I will be adding is water. I will be adding water. So I will leave the plantain for at least 10 to 15 minutes and it will be ready. So here is my sauce, is almost ready. I will be adding my salad, because this is the last thing I'm adding now. I did not introduce it before, so I'm sorry about that. I'm just adding that one now. That is the last thing I will be adding. So this salad now, as I add it, I will just leave it for at least like 2 to 3 minutes. and my sauce is ready. As you can see, it's very beautiful in the eyes, and my plantain is ready. Test this food, cook it for your kids. Kids always like ripe plantain. Very delicious meal, guys. Anytime I eat this food, after eating it, I will just relax, and the next thing is to relax. I will just relax myself. How did you see this food, guys? Here is my plantain. I've already peeled it. I'm just peeling it now. And we have my sauce. I'm going to be putting the sauce now. Leave your comment what you think about this meal. If you like it, just leave your comment in the comment section. Let me have a taste. I will have a taste, then I will tell you. Let me have a taste. So delicious, guys. This is so delicious. Try it, you will enjoy it. You know, vegetable is my favorite. Thank you guys for joining me, and see you for my next video. Love you. Bye.